Greetings. Welcome to week 3 of Loki 3100, the art and science of map design, GeoVisualization. Joseph Kursky here with you. Glad you're here. Still mapping after all these years. Whoa, still mapping after all these years. But I digress. We will begin week 3 with a re-emphasis on why we're doing Loki in the first place, location intelligence, to understand our world. We will discuss geoliteracy, fundamental to this understanding. Then it will be time for more core learning about data models, raster and vector, types of geospatial data portals, how do you get data in the first place, GIS software, geographic information systems, and finish with a discussion about the Earth's size and shape. It's a lot bigger than this one right here. Our hands-on lab will have you doing some very exciting things. I can't wait for you to get started with this. After a discussion on field work, you will make and explore maps from data collected in the field and then create your own. You will perform many tasks in ArcGIS Online, which is our web-based mapping platform, such as symbolizing, measuring, and adding data. You will then make a map from a table of data, which is a powerful skill to learn. You will then, as usual, take a short quiz, and that's a wrap, folks. For week number 3. Thanks and map on.